In this video, I'll show you how to add icons in Figma for free. Start by opening Figma and going to your Drafts page. From there, open any file where you want to add icons. Next, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the Actions icon, or simply press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open the Quick Actions menu. In the search bar, find Plugins and Widgets, then type Icons 8, Icons, Illustrations, Photos. Once you find it, click on Run to launch the plugin. After the plugin opens, you can browse through a wide variety of free icons. Use the search bar inside the plugin to quickly find the icon you need. When you find an icon you like, simply drag and drop it directly onto your workspace. You can then resize or adjust it just like any other element in Figma. Repeat the same steps if you want to add more icons to your design. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.